Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. So, if you're wondering how to, delete a particular Google account from an Android device, then this video is for you. So, go to the settings, go to the settings, then select accounts and backup. Accounts and backup. Okay, so tap on the account. So tap on the account, yeah, and select the particular account that you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete this particular account. You realize there is a remove account in here. Okay, so just tap on the remove account and you confirm. You just tap on the removed and the account will be deleted from your device. So that's how easy and simple it is to delete a Google account from an Android device. Yeah, so just tap on the remove and confirm. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give the video some nice and sweet comments, give it a like, and see you in the next video.